The GPO editor allows you to edit global program objects associated with a GPL project. You do not need to be online to edit GPO files. You can access the GPO editor by double-clicking on a GPO file in the GPL Project Manager. The GPO editor allows you to define locations, motion profiles, reference frames, palette frames, as well as integer, single, double, and string variables. You can interact with a variable by selecting the appropriate variable type first. With a variable type selected, you can add variables to your project. When adding, you have the option of adding individual variables or a one-dimensional array of variables. In the display, all array variables of the same name will be grouped together. Non-array variables are in their own grouping. The GPO toolbar allows you to insert or add new variables into an existing array. Additionally, you can delete individual array variables. When you add or delete from an existing array, the indexes of the array elements are adjusted automatically. The GPO toolbar also allows you to delete a variable entirely. GPO variables will typically be used in GPL programs. If you want to see where a GPO variable is referenced, you can do this by right-clicking on the symbol in the GPL editor and select Find All References. This can also be done within the GPO editor by selecting a variable and selecting the Find References option in the GPO toolbar. Select the Rename Variable option if you want to change the name of a variable. This will change the name everywhere the variable is referenced in the project. The Add to Watch button will add a variable to the watch window. For location and frame variables, there are some additional operations that can be invoked. The Record Current Robot Location option will record the current location of the robot into the selected variable. The Teach Vision Pick Offset allows you to teach a vision-guided pick offset. You use a vision tool to locate an object, then align the robot to the object to define the pick offset. This can then be used in a GPL program when locating and picking with that vision tool. You must be connected to the vision system in order to use this function. The Locate Vision Target function is similar. You use a vision tool to locate an object. The location of the object is then assigned to the selected location. For reference frames or palettes, you can use the Teach Frame option to teach a frame of reference. You can align the robot and press the Here button to teach an origin point, a point on the x-axis, and a point on the y-axis. You can press the Calculate button to calculate the location and orientation of that frame of reference. You can also use the Locate button to use the vision system to locate the position used at each point for the frame. Integer, single, double, and string variables are displayed individually in their respective categories. The All Variable category displays all of these 4 items in one listing. One additional option for location variables is the Jog To panel. If you enable the Jog To function, it allows you to jog to the selected location. There are also buttons allowing you to jog above and jog away from the selected location. The Jog To function uses the virtual panel jog speed to set the speed for robot motions.